Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is Arif. Welcome back again. Welcome to our Spoken English Nidhi TV one more time. So guys, I think you are fine today. So today we came beside the pond. You are watching, there is a pond, and beside the pond we shooted video right now. And now is the time we have completed the shooting of video, and we have made a lots of video today. So now it's time to go to our house right now because we are so hungry right now. And beside me, with me, my friend English Islam and my sir stayed there, but he has gone. My sir has gone right now, but I have my friends and me right now. And right now we have completed the making video, and it is time to go to our house. So now I will go to my house. So I want to say something about that place. What is the name of that place? This is the name of that place is Muktagasa Notun Bazar, and I told you before about the Muktagasa Notun Bazar, RK High School Mart, but this is not RK High School Mart, and it is located beside RK High School Mart. And you are watching, there is a scout here, and this place is totally awesome for me because so many times I have come here and make video because this is the most safe place for us, and we don't have noise, so much noise here, don't have here, and for that we feel comfortable to make video. You are watching, there is a huge land here. So my friend is showing you different way from different angle. So I think we have made a lots of video from here. So it is time to go. So Arif, can we go to our house right now?
Yes, definitely.
So are you feeling hungry?
Yes, I'm feeling hungry.
So guys, after coming here, we met a boy. There is a boy here. You watch the boy. You show the boy. There is a boy here, and his boy stayed with us all time, full time when we made video. So thank you so much for helping me that time. You helped me. Thank you so much. So what is then? What's your name? Tell me. What's your name? Tell me. What are you doing? You are eating jackfruit, right? Small jackfruit, green jackfruit. Oh my God! He is eating small jackfruit, green jackfruit. Oh my God! So now it's time to go to our house. And what I will say, the tree of this place is totally awesome, and I think it is look like a garden. It is look like a garden. I think it is look like a garden, and my friend is trying to come in front of the camera in this vlog, but there is no cameraman without Arif, so that's why that's the problem. He can't come front of the camera right now on this vlog. So don't worry about it. About that, I will show you my friend English Islam one more time and different block. And there is a branch here you are watching, and there is a small house. It's not house. It's just for sitting. Rest. You can rest while sitting here. You can rest while sitting here. So now we will close the camera. We will close the camera and we will rest while. So come here, Arif. Come here. There is another
Hi.
cameraman. Oh, Arif.
Nice to meet you.
So how did you enjoy?
I feel enjoy.
You have enjoyed a lot.
Yeah,
right?
enjoy a lot.
And you have made a lots of video from here,
Yes.
right?
We will make a
10 content.
10 content and 20 short video.
Oh,
20
that's
short video.
today is quite good for us, right?
Yes, definitely.
So now guys, it's time to go to our
Yeah.
house, and we will eat something after
Yes.
going to the restaurant.
I have so much hungry.
You are also hungry, right?
Yes.
So what do you want to eat today?
I eat some food.
I
Fast
want
food.
to eat.
Yes, I want some food.
I want to eat
Some fruit.
some fruits.
Yes.
Okay. After going to hotel,
Yeah.
will you go to hotel?
No, I will go to my house.
You'll go to your house and
Yes.
then you will eat, right?
Yes, and then I will eat because
It's-
outside food is very dirty and
It's not safe for
it's
you.
not safe for me.
Yeah, I think so. So like you, I will go to my house and I will eat something. And
Okay,
if
sure.
you want, we can eat something from restaurant
Restaurant food is
is not quite good.
not quite for me.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much. So, so guys, we
guys-
have to say bye today. So till then, Allah Hafiz.